Hello and welcome to Mr. Tech Talks. In today's video tutorial, I am going to show you how to clear up your Windows 10 and 11 and browser cache to improve your computer performance and enhance your browsing speed. So let's begin. The first step is to delete temporary files using disk cleanup. Tap on Start menu and search and open Disk Cleanup. Select drive C or whatever the name of your drive is and click OK. Select temporary files and then click OK. Now I am going to show you how to clear up File Explorer history in Windows 10. Open File Explorer, then click View, tap on Options. In the General tab, click Clear. Now I am going to show you how to clear up File Explorer history in Windows 11. After opening the File Explorer, click three dots and then click Options and then finally click Clear in the General tab. Now I will show you how to clear up cache in Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, click the three dots and then open History. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Now click on Clear Data. Now I'm going to show you how to clear up cache in Firefox browser. In Firefox, click the hamburger menu and then open Settings. Click on Privacy and Security and then scroll down and click Clear History. Then click on OK. Now I am going to show you how to clear up cache in Microsoft Edge browser. In Microsoft Edge, click the three dots and then open Settings. Click on Privacy, Search and Services. Then click on Choose What to Clear. As a final step, click on Clear Now. And that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you follow all the steps in this video, your computer and browsing performance and speed will enhance significantly. So if you like this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now.